easiest headers of my life. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big thanks to you guys. This ladder trick is working awesome. The headers are finally off. Now it's time to start stripping the top and the rear to get the full frame ready for transplant. Gas tank is out. Man, that's a funky looking tank. Now onto the subframe and all the components in there, as well as the airbox. And then after that, that's right, the swing arm. I'm gonna have to start to get creative with how I'm supporting this frame. All right, next day at the shop, time for that airbox. Check that out. The frame actually cracked the intake piece when it shifted over and broke. You can kind of see where it cracked, and then it hit the intake. tip over sensor, the ECU. Turns out the wiring in the rear has already been messed with that custom license plate bracket. So they already connected the wires in the rear, so we're gonna have to cut them, but I have a solution. I've got these sweet waterproof connectors that I'm simply just gonna splice into the leads. And hopefully after that, the subframe will come right out. One connector down, 5 more to go. Wiring is all done. Now I don't have to cut the license plate bracket. Purple and brown to purple and brown, and blue and black to blue and black. And this connector is for the taillight right over there. Now I'm gonna simply disconnect the connectors, run them through the hole under there, and take the license plate bracket out. Then hopefully, time to remove the rest of the subframe. Subframe removed successfully. Now, onto that swing arm. This is gonna be fun. That chain tool worked amazing. All right, time for the swing arm removal. All right, time to get this old frame out of here. Let the dropping commence. That was nuts. I gotta find a better way to get engines out of frames. That was ridiculous. But nonetheless, here is the cracked frame all the way through. Completely twisted that top section. That's it for tonight, guys. The fun is just beginning. Catch you in the next one. See ya.